Hi guys, mfpmatias from YouTube. Just received this package from MRA. It's from Germany. Let's open it. It's a racing windshield from MRA, Germany quality. Let's install it on my CBR Fireblade, but before that I will show the difference with the original windshield to compare it, okay? To replace the windshield, it's pretty simple. Just remove the two bolts that attach to the mirrors, and on the front of the motorcycle you have more 2 bolts each side, and the windshield will slide off, okay? And that's it. I love the look and the quality of this windshield from MRA. Check them out. They have their site online that send worldwide. All the prices are in their site. I will put the link on the description. Check them out. Well, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. MRA. Já tá, meu. It's a racing windshield, windscreen. This windshield. Ai meu, sai daí. Olha, sai daí. Vai pra ali.